So recently I've purchased the iPhone 15 Pro Natural Titanium, and this one is the 256GB variant. And as you know, the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max comes with 8GB of RAM, inbuilt RAM. And first let me talk about the color. The color is the best Apple has released till now. The Natural Titanium color, I liked it very much. And why I like this color? Because it gives me some kind of warm tone finish. At first, while booking this, I was planning to buy the black one, but then I changed my mind and I thought this time I should change the color because my iPhone 11 was also in the black color. And talking about the changes, shifting from an iPhone 11, it feels major changes because the iPhone 15 Pro comes with the newly launched A17 Pro chipset. Talking about the battery is really insane. I charge it to about 92% or maybe sometimes 87, 86 around, and I'm using the phone for almost 7 to 8 hours because I was testing many things. So 7 to 8 hours of screen time for almost a week, and it gives me a full day battery, and even after a full day the battery still remains up to 20%. One more thing I like to point out about overheating. So what happened when I unboxed the phone and I switched from 11 to the new 15, my 11 was already on the iOS 17, so that time I need to upgrade to iOS 17.1 in order to share my data from old phone to the new phone. So I updated my phone to the latest firmware update, that is 17.1, and I didn't face any overheating issue till now because Apple has solved the overheating issue on the 17.1 only. So maybe if I had not updated to the 17.1, I would have felt overheating issue, but I didn't feel any overheating issue now on the 17.1 update, and battery backup is also really great. Talking about the performance, the A17 Pro chipset is really powerful because obviously it is the powerful and the latest chipset of the iOS, and coming from an iPhone 11, it is quite noticeable. And exporting and rendering these reels are fast than the iPhone 11. They are really fast than the iPhone 11 is. Talking about the action button, I am using the action button for only one purpose, that is silent mode, and the action button is really nice. Why I will say nice is because if the function of the action button was just only to put your phone on silent mode, then this was a complete wastage of a new change. But what we get here is you can customize action button for anything, for just pressing the action button, and you can just open a shortcut to type a tweet and just post it from the drop down menu, from using it as a shutter button or flashlight or anything. So Apple has added these features to the new action button. This makes the action button more expandable rather than just putting your phone on the silent mode. Talking about the camera, here are some camera samples which I took last week. I am not that pro when it comes to camera. I can just say when I took some photos on the 11 and by comparing them to the 15 Pro, it really felt different. Don't call me Apple fanboy because from iPhone 11 to iPhone 15 Pro, the camera has been terribly changed, and also the new USB-C, which is nothing different, just a port change from Lightning to USB-C. I haven't faced anything different from Lightning to USB-C. It's just that now I can charge my iPhone 15 Pro from my OnePlus or my Google Pixel charger. So this will be my only take for the iPhone 15 Pro. By far what I have seen, what I have liked as iPhone 11 user. So this review will be more for the user who are on the older iPhones like 12, 11 or before that and planning to upgrade. So it will give them more opinion if they should upgrade or not. And one more thing I also want to add, that 120Hz display also feels very smooth coming from an 60Hz display. After using 15 Pro continuously, when I scroll the iPhone 11, it feels like it's lagging, but it is not lagging. It's just 60Hz display and a 120Hz display on the 15 Pro. So this will be my take for the 15 Pro. I hope you liked the video. So be sure to subscribe the channel also, and tell me in the comments what are your opinion for the iPhone 15 series.